Hello, welcome to day 5. Today we are using creativity to solve problems at work. We all encounter problems at work and in life, and this can be stressful, especially if you're in the middle of a problem without a solution. Good news is there are ways to solve most problems, though if you know when, where, how, and what to look for in creating the solution, it's much easier. Now, creative problem solving is a process of solving problems with a view of the issue in more than one way. This is a necessary skill in the workplace, but many people don't naturally have the instinct for this. That is why if you follow and use the tools and techniques I will outline in this session, you'll be greatly helped. And save it so you can refer to it from time to time when issues come up, okay? The first thing you need to do is begin by identifying and defining the problem or the goal. What's the real problem? What is wrong? What is lacking? What do you want to achieve or have happen? Then look at the underlying reason for the problem. Is it a simple thing or is there something going on causing the problem? Remember, the solution is not to treat the symptom. The idea is to address the problem and fix it instead of putting on a band-aid and then just moving on and then revisiting it. If you do that, your boss won't thank you. You've not done a good job at it, okay? Now, what's the process? What are the tools? What's the system to follow? 1, gather data. Get the information you need to solve the problem. What data do you need? What information do you need to know? When you get this information, you need to now sort out the facts, sort out the opinions and the fictions. At this point, do you have a clear idea of what the problem is? If you do, then examine the problem from every side, from different perspectives and from different views. You also need to view what has already been done to deal with the issue so far. When you've got to this point, you go to the second process in the system, generate ideas and solution. It's time to brainstorm ways to fix the problem. You must bypass the fear and blocks that keep creative solutions from forming, because that's a major challenge for many people. Then begin to use your creativity when thinking of ways to solve the problem or to fix the situation. Think outside the normal way of doing things. Because if you're looking for a solution and you want to keep it normal, you won't go far from the problem. Another way to come up with ideas is simulation, by gathering ideas from randomly chosen words or words. I'll give you an example. Try it on for size. Putting yourself in another person's shoes is another idea generator. What would other people do in your situation? Especially people you respect, people you think are creative. Another option for idea generation is to take a break, then come back to it with a fresh perspective. Realistically evaluate all the ideas before setting up an action plan. Don't go with the first solution. Don't do that. You need to thoroughly be checking out all the other ideas. Next step in the process, the third one, set it up. Turn the solution into actionable steps. After you've generated ideas and you lay them all out, decide on which course of action you will take that works best for the needs of the problem. Then, create actionable steps on how to do it. Like I said about fear, don't be afraid to come back and rewrite or reevaluate your situation. If you need to adapt or to the situation or make changes, don't be afraid to do that. That's all part of the process. I say there's not one way. No, the first solution shouldn't be done. Let's just go with it. That's a lazy process. That's a lazy person's process. Because creative problem solving means you must look at the problem in an unconventional way. It should entail evaluating the problem you're trying to solve, gathering all the information you need to evaluate a solution, brainstorming creatively to find solutions and turn those solutions into actionable steps. I have some information for you in the link below. Click that link, download this series, and then get the information. Thanks, guys. Bye for now.